Hey guys, John Richards here. Hope you're having an amazing day. Hey, in this video, we're going to talk about how to get started working out again. So, I've run into this a lot. I can remember taking off 2 or 3 days at some points in my life and really having a hard time getting back to the gym. So, how to get started working out again. One of the first things you got to do, I never just work out. I want to work out to feel better or whatever. But for me, and maybe for some of you, I have to have a goal. Right now I'm shooting for a certain weight loss goal, in the next couple weeks. So I'm getting very aggressive. I'm tweaking my workout. I'm trying to eat cleaner and all that stuff. So the first thing you need to do is you need to sit down and think, what's it look like when I'm healthy? Maybe write a little vision. What's your life look like? And that's just a picture of what you look like. And then set a goal. Okay, so by December 31st, 2019, or December 31st, 2020, whatever that is, we're getting ready to go in the new year's, have some kind of an outcome, some kind of a vision of what you want that to look like. Now, because then that's going to give you motivation and reason to go back to the gym. Because you're going to see that, you're going to feel that. You have to have a reason why. You have to have a reason why you want to achieve that. You want to be healthy for your kids. You want to walk your daughter down the aisle. You want to be able to attend your son's graduation from college, whatever it is. So working out's important, and you know how you felt once you went to the gym. Okay, the next thing you want to do, once you have that outcome goal, you want to identify the process. Okay, what I mean by the process, what are the actions daily, no more than weekly, you're going to take? Maybe you're going to work out 3 days a week. Maybe you're going to work out 4 days a week. Maybe you're going to do weights and then cardio, whatever it is. Really get clear on that. So like in my case, I'm working out 7 days a week right now, again, because I'm really aggressively trying to hit a goal, but I work out with weights, then I always do 30 minutes of cardio after that. That's my process. Then I'm eating clean 7 days a week per plan, which I have drawn out. So that's my process. The most important part of this is schedule it. You don't want to put working out on a do list. You don't want to put working out till the end of the day unless that's the only time you can get to it. You want to create a routine. Because if you have a routine, you're more likely to be there. Okay, so when I schedule, I know at 8 o'clock in the morning, 6 days a week, a minimum, and sometimes on Sunday, like I said, right now it'll be Sunday, I go from 8 to 9:30 to the gym. I know that's going to happen. I don't even have to think about it. It's in my schedule, and I'm always going to be at the gym that time. It used to be 6 o'clock to 7:30, and then we changed it up, because I wanted to do a work block before to go to the gym. So my routine changed, okay? But you have to have a routine, so schedule again. So in review, you want to have an outcome, you want to have a goal. That motivates you to go. So if you're having trouble going to the gym again, get yourself a goal and an outcome to work toward. And then identify the process, the 1, 2, or 3 actions. In my case, like I said, work out with weights 6 days per week. Follow that with 30 minutes of cardio 6 days per week. Then what I do is I schedule it. And then I just live by my schedule. I honor my schedule. Hey guys, I hope you like this. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Comment, tell me what you're doing. Are you struggling to get to the back of the gym? Hopefully this helps you out. Hey, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the bell notification on the side so you get notified of any future videos. Go out and make it an awesome day today, guys. Thank you so much.